Rocket emoji. Welcome to TechNova AI, where the future isn't just imagined. It's experienced. Today, we dive into the most thrilling breakthrough of 2025, human-AI interaction. From AI companions that read emotions to humanoid robots that feel almost human, this is the future we've all been waiting for. Hourglass emoji. Stick around till the end as we explore one of the most important questions of our time: will AI truly understand us? Or just simulate understanding? Brain emoji. Part 1. The evolution of human-AI connection. Just a decade ago, AI meant clunky chatbots or voice assistants that couldn't even understand sarcasm. Fast forward to today, we have Ameca, Sophia, and ChatGPT, powered by NLP and emotion recognition tech, capable of facial expressions, empathy, and even emotional mirroring. Right arrow emoji. AI can now detect your tone, micro-expressions, mood shifts, even before you realize how you feel. Chart with upwards trend emoji. Keywords: future of AI, human AI evolution, NLP in AI, AI emotional recognition. Robot emoji. Part 2. Real examples, AI in action. Wake up. Your AI assistant senses you're anxious. It dims the lights, plays calming music, and prepares your meeting notes. Sound futuristic. It's already happening in Japan, South Korea, and Silicon Valley. Small blue diamond emoji. Projects like Replika AI, Zowis, and Samsung Neon are building digital beings that evolve with you, emotionally, socially, even psychologically. Film camera emoji. Visuals: Ameca blinking, Replika interface, neon avatars, speech bubble emoji. Part 3. Conversational AI that understands. Today's AI doesn't just talk, it listens, learns, and adapts. It can understand sarcasm, cultural slang, or even trauma-based expressions and adjust responses accordingly. Small orange diamond emoji. Tools like Google Gemini, ChatGPT-4, and Anthropic's Claude are passing the Turing test, showing deeper comprehension than ever before. By 2030, your AI might be more emotionally intelligent than some of your friends. Pushpin emoji. Keywords: ChatGPT, human-level AI, emotional intelligence AI, conversational AI. 2025, balance scale emoji. Part 4. Ethics and emotional boundaries. If AI can bond, comfort, and even express love, where do we draw the line? Is emotional attachment to machines healthy? Or is it the start of a new digital consciousness? Police light emoji. Ethics boards are scrambling to define rights for sentient machines. Because when robots act real, how do we treat them? DNA emoji. Keywords: AI ethics. 2025, human-robot love, sentient AI debate. Flying saucer emoji. Conclusion: the future is already here. We're entering a world where AI isn't just a tool, it's a companion, a partner, maybe even a soulmate. The question is, are we ready for it? Down pointing finger emoji. Drop a comment. Would you trust an AI with your secrets, your memories, or your heart? Red heart emoji. Robot emoji. Megaphone emoji. If this episode blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe to TechNova AI, and hit the bell emoji, so you never miss a future tech breakdown. Clapperboard emoji. Because the future isn't coming. It's already here.